the boy who searched the stars. Leo and his little sister, Mira, loved stargazing. Every night, they lay on their rooftop, pointing at constellations and dreaming of space adventures. "One day, I'll go to the stars," Mira would say. Leo always smiled. "Not without me." But one fateful night, a blinding blue light filled their backyard. When Leo opened his eyes, Mira was gone. In her place stood a strange, silver spaceship hovering above the ground. Before he could react, it zipped into the sky. Leo's heart pounded. His sister had been taken by aliens. He had to find her. The journey begins. Leo ran to his grandfather, a retired astronaut. "Mira was taken by a spaceship," he cried. His grandfather didn't doubt him. He led Leo to an old space station hidden in the desert. "This was built for deep space travel," he explained. "I hope to use it one day, but now it's your turn." Leo stepped inside. With the push of a button, the spaceship roared to life. "I'll find you, Mira," he whispered as he blasted off into space. Planet 1. Mercury, the fiery world. Leo's first stop was Mercury, the closest planet to the sun. He landed on its rocky surface and stepped out. The ground was scorching. His boots nearly melted. There's no way aliens would bring Mira here, he thought. It's too hot, with no air to breathe. Mercury has the biggest temperature changes, super hot during the day and freezing at night. Just as he was about to leave, a tiny robotic creature scuttled toward him. Looking for the girl? It beeped. They went that way, toward Venus. Planet 2. Venus, the hottest planet. Leo flew to Venus, covered in thick yellow clouds. He tried to land, but his ship's warning system blared. The air was full of poisonous gas, and the heat was unbearable, even hotter than Mercury. No one could survive here, Leo realized. Venus is the hottest planet in the solar system because of its thick atmosphere trapping heat. A small drone zipped past his window. It projected a hologram of Mira. "Keep going, brother," she said before vanishing. Leo clenched his fists. "I'm coming, Mira." Planet 3. Mars, the red planet. Next, Leo reached Mars, the red, dusty world with giant mountains and deep canyons. He landed near a tall robot mining for rocks. "Have you seen my sister?" Leo asked. The robot nodded. "The aliens passed by here. Mars has the biggest volcano in the solar system, Olympus Mons. But it's too cold for them to stay." Leo looked around. Mars had thin air, freezing nights, and dusty storms. Mira wasn't here. Where did they go next? Jupiter. Planet 4. Jupiter, the giant of storms. Leo reached Jupiter, the biggest planet in the solar system. It had no solid ground, only swirling clouds of orange, white, and red. Lightning flashed in its endless storms. "Whoa," Leo whispered. "That's the Great Red Spot, a storm bigger than Earth." A floating space station orbited the planet. Leo contacted them, and a scientist replied, "We saw a strange alien ship heading towards Saturn's rings." Planet 5. Saturn, the ringed beauty. Leo arrived at Saturn, the planet famous for its golden rings. The rings weren't solid. They were made of ice and rock. As Leo's ship flew past, he spotted something unusual. A dark spaceship was hiding among the rings. Leo activated his ship's scanners and saw Mira inside. "I found her." The rescue. Leo landed on the alien ship. He sneaked through the halls and found Mira in a glowing pod. "Leo," she cried. Before he could free her, an alien appeared. It was tall, with glowing blue skin and big black eyes. "Why did you take my sister?" Leo demanded. The alien blinked. "We needed her help. She has a special energy that can power our ship." Leo frowned. "But she's just a kid." "She is special," the alien said. "But if you want her back, you must win a challenge." The space challenge. The alien led Leo to a giant screen. A tricky puzzle appeared, showing different planets with missing facts. To win, you must answer 3 questions about the solar system. Leo gulped. He loved space, but could he do this under pressure? Question 1. Which planet is the largest? Leo grinned.
Easy.
Jupiter. Question 2. Which planet has the most moons? Leo thought. I know Saturn has a lot, but Jupiter has more. My answer is Jupiter. The alien nodded. Correct. Final question. Which planet is tilted on its side? Leo remembered reading about this.
Oh.
That's Uranus. The alien smiled. You win. Myra's pod opened, and she ran to Leo. I knew you'd come. The alien bowed. You have great knowledge and love for your sister. You are welcome among the stars anytime. Back to Earth. Leo and Mira flew back home, passing Neptune, the windiest planet, and Pluto, the tiny dwarf planet. They marveled at the wonders of space. As they landed, Mira hugged Leo. Best adventure ever. Leo smiled. Next time, let's explore space together, without being kidnapped. That night, they lay under the stars once more, knowing that no matter how far the universe stretched, family would always bring them home.